Are you getting Roku error RO-1-300? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Reboot your Roku device and the router or modem. Roku error RO-1-300 is mostly a network connectivity error that can prevent you from opening an app or channel. When you first get such an error, first of all, reboot your Roku device and the router or modem. To restart Roku, go to Roku settings and then select System. Then Power and select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. The next thing you can do to resolve the connectivity issue is to restart the router or modem. To do that, disconnect the router or modem from the power outlet. Wait for a few minutes, then turn on the router or modem and check if this could fix the issue. Method 2. Check your connection. Next, check if your internet connection is stable. You can check the internet speed on another device by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 3. Reconnect the network. The next thing you can do is reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. To do that, from the Roku home screen, navigate to Settings and then select Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Now choose your network and type the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once done, select Connect. Method 4. Keep the Roku system close to the router. Check that the Roku system is near the wireless router and there is no obstacle between them. This should improve the signal strength. Make sure there are no electronic devices between the Roku system and the router, as these objects can interfere with the signals. If there is any such devices, move them away. Method 5. Switch to a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also shift to an Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 6. Reset connection. The next thing you can do is reset the connection. To do so, go to Roku settings from the home screen. Then navigate to System. Select Advanced System Settings. Next, choose Network Connection Reset. Then select Reset Connection. Wait till the process is complete and Roku restarts. Once the system restarts, check if the issue is fixed. Method 7. Enable or disable network pings. Go to the Home menu and using the remote, press the Home button about 5 times. Now press the fast forward button and then the play button. Then press the rewind button. Next, press the play button again and then press the fast forward button. The platform secret screen should appear now. Now scroll up to select the System Operations menu. Press OK. Scroll up and reach the Network menu. Select Disable Network Pings. Then select OK. If the setting is already disabled, enable it and check. Method 8. Check your Roku's operating system. Ensure your Roku's operating system is up to date. To update the Roku system, head to Settings, select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 9. Clear your cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times, then press the up arrow button. Now press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time. so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 10. Disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off to see if it resolves the issue. Some streaming services may not work with VPNs. Method 11. Update the app or channel. To update Netflix on your Roku device, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then press the right directional button. Next, highlight Netflix. Then press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 12. Delete and reinstall the channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall the channel. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click on OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall Netflix. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you shouldn't get the error. Method 13. Contact the channel support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, then you can contact the specific channel's support team for further assistance. You can type the channel's name in a web browser, then type support, and you will get the support page you can visit and inquire about your issue. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku error RO-1-300. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.